Hola, my angels, my dears. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. For the last salad for the salads month for the channel, I have for you today a tropical fruit salad. It's a nice short video, so I'll let you get to it. I truly hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk to you later. The key to a perfect fruit salad is to make sure you buy fruit that's sweet and ripe. So when you go to the supermarket, make sure you know how to look for sweet and ripe fruit for the particular fruit you're going for. Make sure if it's not ripe that you're allowed to age for the recommended amount of time before you cut into it. The papaya was the costliest of all the 4 fruits I have here. So if you're going to use it, make sure that you get the most for your money. Here I'm taking off the skin, but also what I should have done earlier is take off more of that yellow pith, more of the yellow part that's closest to the skin. As you'll see later, I'm going to take individual cubes and just cut off a little bit more so I have more of the peach colored fruit left behind. That's the most sweet part of it. See, I'm cutting it here. All right, there it is. To cut out the core of your pineapple, make sure you position your knife at a 45-degree angle and slice all the way down lengthwise. Do the same on both the top and the bottom, and you'll be able to remove the core. Use a Japanese sickle knife or small curved blade fruit knife to cut out the meat of the pineapple. I bought mine from Amazon online, so I'll leave a link to that in my description box. You may use a paring knife or utility knife to do the same job. You may also garnish it with toasted coconut, but keep an eye on the coconut when you're toasting it in the oven because it's quite easy to burn. Oh my, look at how beautiful and wonderfully colorful this salad is. And it's so healthy. Make sure you look for us on both Facebook and Instagram, where you'll get a preview of what video or technique will be coming up next on this channel. Muchas gracias. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video and this recipe, please give me a like, a thumbs up, share on all the media platforms, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to this channel. And if you are one of my lovely subscribers, I thank you so much for coming back. Come back next month when the theme will be tropical themed drinks. You'll love that for the summer. As always, please be the blessing to someone. And as I depart, I say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I will see you next time.